here, and then the entire bottom row are shimmers. I can't wait to try their new shimmer formula. By the way, here, so here's this, and they have like these little like stickers that they use to a little bit too light, and let me blend this out a little bit. But when you mix both of them, okay, film this separately so that I could stick it in here. The eyeshadows, the palette, everything I own from the brand, but I also did some kind of colors or things that you could compare and contrast kind of thing. Guys, some of the comparisons of the purple shades, and they're not really purple, they're kind of like pink. So I thought that was kind of neat as well, because you know it was different. It wasn't, these are like showing you what swatch things so that you can see compare